Writing ionic equation involves 3 steps. The first step is to write down the balanced chemical equation with the suitable state symbols. In the second step, you ionize the equation, that is, you break up the substances which have got the state symbol AQ with them, or you can simply say the water soluble substances. Okay, in the last step, you just cancel out the spectator ions. Now, the spectator ions are the ions which are common on both sides of the equation, that is, on the left side and on the right side of the equation, before and after arrow. Okay, for example, you are required to write an ionic equation for silver chloride salt. The formula for this is AgCl, and you know that it's an insoluble salt. Insoluble salts are prepared using precipitation method, where you mix two clear solutions to get the precipitates of the insoluble salt. So the two clear solutions which are taken to make silver chloride are silver nitrate. All the nitrates are soluble. I'm writing AQ with it. And sodium chloride. So all the sodium containing substances are also water soluble. So after arrow, it's a double displacement reaction. So both the species will exchange their opposite parts with each other. So AgCl, so it's insoluble salt. So I'm going to write solid as the state symbol with it because the precipitates are solid. And sodium nitrate, NaNO3. So it contains nitrate as well as sodium, so it is also water soluble, that is AQ. Okay, so we are done with the first step. In the next step, you have to ionize or break these substances, the aqueous substances only. So AgNO3 will break like this to give Ag positive AQ and NO3 negative AQ, plus NaCl will break up like this, Na positive AQ and Cl negative AQ. Now we have arrow, and after arrow we have silver chloride, which is insoluble, so it will remain as it is. And NaNO3, that is sodium nitrate, will break up like this to produce sodium positive ion and nitrate negative ions. So Na positive AQ plus NO3 negative AQ. Okay, so now we are done with the second step also. The third step, that is cancellation of similar or common ions. So let's look for the similar ions on the both sides of the equation. So we have got NO3 on both the sides of the equation. So I'm going to cancel it, and Na on the both sides. So I'm going to cancel Na also. So in the third step and the final step, I'll get silver positive ions, chloride negative ions. After arrow, we have only silver chloride solid. That's it. So this is the final equation. Okay. So for example, if you get only a 1 mark question and there is no space to show these steps, so there is a simple trick. You can simply write the insoluble salt after arrow like this, AgCl. You will simply break it into its ion on the left side, that is Ag positive AQ, the Cl negative AQ. So for every other salt, if it's just a 1 mark question, it's asked for the final ionic equation only, so you can use this trick only. That's it.